This is the iPhone 5S battery replacement guide. Fix your broken iPad with parts from directfix.com. Use coupon code YT7 and save 7% off your next order at directfix.com. Please read this warning thoroughly before attempting to repair your device. After completely powering off your phone, remove the SIM card. Using a pentalobe screwdriver, remove 2 pentalobe screws at the bottom of the phone. Place a suction cup on the screen and carefully lift up, allowing you to remove the screen using a case opener tool. Be careful when lifting up the screen as it is still attached with the home button cable. Now, using the case opener tool, disconnect the home button cable from the charge port. Remove the 4 screws shown in the red circles in order to completely disconnect the screen assembly. You can now disconnect the screen assembly, which consists of 3 cables, one for the LCD, one for the touch panel, and one for your forward-facing camera and proximity sensor. Remove the 2 screws shown in the red circles in order to expose the battery connector. You can now carefully disconnect the battery from the motherboard, as well as remove the battery from the case. If you're having trouble with the adhesive holding the battery down, you can apply some heat using a heat gun to the back of your phone in order to soften some of that adhesive. You can now place your replacement battery into the case. Connect the battery connector to the motherboard and then secure with the metal shield and 2 screws shown in the red circles. With your replacement battery installed, you can now place your screen assembly back onto the phone. Begin by attaching the 3 cables to the motherboard. Secure the screen assembly connectors with a metal shield and 4 screws shown in the red circles. Now connect the home button ribbon cable with the charge port. Now you can place the screen into the case and secure with 2 pentalobe screws at the bottom of the phone on either side of the charge port. Insert the SIM card and you are complete. Like, comment, and subscribe for more repair videos from Direct Fix. For all your cell phone parts, accessories, and service needs, go to directfix.com now.